Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I'm going to do another 5-minute eye look. This video might be a bit longer than 5 minutes because I will talk through it and I wanted to tell you a few things first. So this eye look is the one that I had on when I reviewed Charlotte Tilbury's new foundation, and a lot of you were saying, oh, it's really nice, what did you use? If you remember, this is more of a almost like a one eyeshadow look, and because I've had Botox and I had it done a bit differently. I had some injected up here, so I can't lift my eyebrows as high up, so as you can see my eyes, my mobile lid is very small now because I can't lift my eyebrows as high, and I feel like in that instance the one eyeshadow looks work the best. Okay, so what I've used for that look was a Hoola bronzer. I've got one in this palette, but if you just have a Hoola bronzer, and then I used the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. So let's do it. I only need 4 brushes for that. I could probably do with 3. So what I did first, and I'm using the Sonia G Blender Pro brush. So I've bought them not long ago. They are fantastic. I don't know what it is about those brushes, but I can use this brush, the same brush, for like 3 different eyeshadows. It seems that when you pick up the eyeshadow with this brush and put it to your eye, it doesn't hold on. The eyeshadow doesn't hold on to the, the brush doesn't hold on to the eyeshadow. It just deposits all of it on your eyelid, which is amazing. It's a beautiful brush. So I just took Hoola. I started on my mobile lid. So I'm just, when I tip my head, I can see my lid a bit better. So I just went on my mobile lid, and then with whatever I have left, I start going up and up. And because my lid has a bit dropped now, I go even higher. Can you see? I just leave that little bit under my eyebrow. I do this look just with the Hoola very often, but by adding the other shadows from the Anastasia palette, you're making it a bit more smoky. Then I'm going to take a Makeup Geek small crease brush. I don't know why this calls crease. To me, this is like a pencil brush. And again with Hoola, I'm going to go on my lower lash line. And normally I would do this, put mascara on, and that's my look done for every day. I really like that, but I will do exactly what I did in the other video. Now I'm going to go to the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Look, I'm trying to clean off this brush from the Hoola and nothing is coming off. It's like everything just was transferred onto my eye. Okay, I'm going to Sienna. Remember, Anastasia's shadows are a bit powdery and very pigmented, so tap your brush off properly. And I'm going to go like above my crease with it, because it is sienna color, so it warms it up a bit, because Hoola is a bit of a I would say cool shadow. So I'm just going like right above my crease just to warm it up a bit. And they in circular motion sort of connected on my outer 7. The good thing is it's like a blown up look, so you don't have to be very precise. I will blend that all out now with a Sigma E35. Just blend out the edges. I think I don't like this brush, it looks really funny. So you want clean brush for this without any eyeshadow on, just to blend out the edges. And then I'm going to go back into the Makeup Geek small crease brush, and I will go into sienna with it and do the same on my lower lash line. These eyeshadows are so powdery. They are lovely, so pigmented, but you have to be really careful. Then I went into glistening with this is a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush, and I just went in a corner with it, in a corner. And with whatever I've got left, I just went with it a bit under the brow. And that was it for eyeshadow. And now for my eyelashes, I used the Climax mascara, but I like with that sort of smoky look my lashes to be really, really impactful. So I will top it off this one with the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel, or with the Marc Jacob, what is that mascara called? I don't even know. Does he have just one mascara? I do like it. It's gone a bit dryish, but I still really like it, especially to top this one off with. So I apply this mascara on first. So I can build this mascara up, but if I want really, really dramatic eyes, I will show you in a minute. So I do the top lashes, then I do my bottom lashes. I wait for this just a couple of minutes to dry, and then I will top it off with the Marc Jacobs mascara. What is it called? There's no way I can read this, but it's this one, or the Le Volume de Chanel. And that's the eyes done. So as you see, it's a very, very quick look, and like I said, for a less dramatic look, you just leave the Laguna bronzer on your eyelid, and that's it. And for my lips, with that, I've got the Charlotte Tilbury Laugh Trap lip liner. For my lipstick, I'm going to use the Chanel Rouge Coco in 432 Cecile. It's a really lovely everyday lipstick. And I will top it off with Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Okay, my lovelies, so that's it. That was my 5-minute eye look, the one that you really liked. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.